Let us study the Menelaus theorem, which is very important and useful theorem. In this theorem, first of all, try to understand about the cyclic order. What is cyclic order? Suppose if we start from A to F, F to B, B to C, C to D, and so on, this will be taken as anti-clockwise direction. And if you start from A to E, C, B, F, that is clockwise direction. Now there is a triangle, one ABC triangle is there, and it has been, there is a line FEYD. This line is known as transversal line. Why it is transversal line? Because it intersects the three sides of the triangle, two sides internally and one side externally. That BC has been extended to D, where the FE line intersects at the point D. Means this line, FE line, intersect AB at F and AC at E and BC at D, which has been extended. So this point is outside. So you see what will be the product or result? That is AF by FB. AF by FB means vertex to intersecting point. AF क्या है? A है, that is vertex. F है हमारा intersecting point by the transversal. So AF by FB. उसके बाद देखिए BD, B to D. D is the intersecting point. Means vertex to हमें जाना है कहाँ पर? Intersecting point पर, B से D. फिर उसके बाद CD और D intersecting point से vertex means देखिए B to D, D to C, C to E, E to A. अब देखिए यहाँ पर EC कहिए चाहे CE कहिए upon EA, that will be equal to minus. Minus indicate that the point is outside the triangle. Otherwise it will be equal to 1. It will be taken as equal to 1. Now the proof for this is, here we have drawn this line CY is a construction. Construction CY is parallel to BA. CY is parallel to BA. So there are two triangles which are congruent, similar. You see BDF. BDF and CDY. BDF and CDY. These are the two triangles which are similar. Once they are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, BD by CD will be equal to BF by CY. BF by CY. देखिए BF ये हो गया बड़े ट्राइंगल का, CY हो गया छोटे ट्राइंगल. Means BD by CD will be equal to BF by CY. This will be our first equation. Now and AFE. This is the another triangle which will be similar to CYE. CYE. That is angle criteria of similarity. यहाँ पे देखिए क्या है, ये वर्टिकल है, अपोजिट एंगल है E पर, which has been denoted by dot. Now this has been A is equal to angle CYCE. Why? They are alternate angle because this line is parallel to CY line. So this will be the alternate angle. once two angles of two triangles are similar or equal, then the triangles are similar. Angle criteria of similarity. Therefore, CE by EA, CE by EA is equal to YC by AF or FA. These are the two. This will be the second equation. Now on multiplying first and second we get, अब देखिए ये है और सेकंड का ये, इसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, BD by CD into CE by AE, CE by AE on the left hand side. On the right hand side you will get BF by CY, BF by CY into YC by FA. अब देखिए CY ये CY है, YC is the same चीज, it will be cancelled, so we are left with BF by FA. अब देखिए यहाँ पर BF by FA है. अब यहाँ से देखिए, अब यहाँ पर हमने लिखा BD by CD into CE by AE is equal to BF by FA. अब देखिए, अब यहाँ पर या तो आप इसको ट्रांसपोज कर दीजिए, मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए ऐसे. जब आप इसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लाएंगे तो इट विल बिकम FA by BF, FA by BF हो जाएगा. BD by CD and CE by AE. अब हमने क्या किया है, AF by BF से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए बोथ साइड में, हमारे को ये रिजल्ट मिला हुआ. अब हमने क्या किया, इसको FA by BF से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. FA by BF से बोथ साइड हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अमाउंट जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन इट विल बी इक्वल टू AF by BF इंटू BF by FA. ये कैंसिल्ड हो जाएगा, इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1. इसका रेसिप्रोकल से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए बोथ साइड, देन यू विल गेट FA by BF into BD by CD into CE by AE. So it will be equal to 1, hence it is proved. Now the second proof for the same thing. You see the ABC is a triangle. There is a transversal FE which intersect the three sides of the triangle. AB triangle has been intersected internally at F, and AC is also intersected internally at E, but BC has been intersected at the point D, which is outside or which has been extended to the D. Now, in order to prove, we draw perpendicular from AA dash, that is H1. This is the perpendicular from A to the transversal line. Transversal line ये है हमारा, which intersect the three sides of the triangle, FED. So A dash is perpendicular from A to transversal line, that is A dash, which is equal to H1. Similarly, from B to transversal line B, we have dropped the perpendicular from B to transversal line, that is B dash. B dash is the transversal, is perpendicular to the transversal, which is equal to H2. From C point, we again drop a perpendicular to transversal, that is CC dash. CC dash is a perpendicular which is taken as H3. This is H1, this is H2, this is H3. Now in triangle A dash F, A dash F, A dash F is a triangle similar to B dash F, B dash F. They are similar. Therefore, AF by FB, AF, देखिए इसका ले लिया हमने AF by FBF, BF is equal to AA dash by BB dash. इसके दो लेटर लिया शुरू के, इसके भी दो लेटर लिया, AA dash by BB dash. That will be our first equation. Now come to the second triangle, that is C dash D, similar to triangle B dash D. देखिए ट्रायंगल क्या है, C dash D, ये ट्रायंगल है C dash D, B dash D. एक बड़ा वाला ट्रायंगल ये लिया, B dash D, C dash D. These two triangles are similar. Why they are similar? Because this is the B dash is perpendicular to transversal and C dash is perpendicular to transversal. Means they are. This is a 90-degree angle. This is 90 degree. This will be the parallel. So the corresponding angle will be equal, and this D angle is common. So angle criteria. Now come to the third triangle, that is triangle A dash E, A dash E. अब देखिए यहाँ पर ये vertically opposite angle है, ये 90 degree है. Similarly here, this is vertically opposite angle and this is 90 degree. When two angles are equal, then triangles are similar. And once they are similar, the sides are proportional. So the third case, that is CE by AE, CE by AE is equal to CC dash by AA dash. This will be our third triangle, third equation. On multiplying first, second and third, we get, देखिए अब यहाँ से लिया है AF by FB into BD by CD or BD by DC जो into CE by AE, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इसका, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इसका, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इसका, इनका प्रोडक्ट ले लिया. दैट विल बी इक्वल टू AA dash by BB dash, AA dash by BB dash into BB dash by CC dash, BB dash by CC dash into CC dash C dash upon AA dash, CC dash upon AA dash. अब देखिए BB dash से कैंसिल, CC dash से कैंसिल और AA dash से कैंसिल. Then ultimately we will get the result 1. अब साइक्लिक ऑर्डर का मैंने बता दिया, क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. वी हैव टू प्रोसीड इन क्लॉकवाइज आइदर और इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. देखिए AF by FB means vertex to intersecting point to vertex. अब देखिए यहाँ से कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, ये वर्टेक्स है, वर्टेक्स के इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट D BD और इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट से वर्टेक्स मीन्स D to C to E इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट. फिर that is why I mentioned it here, the cyclic order very compulsory, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now you see the vertices to intersecting point, clockwise चाहिए अगर जाते हैं इस तरह से, this will be the clockwise direction. So vertices to intersecting point, or you just proceed vertex to intersecting anti-clockwise. This direction we have to keep in mind while taking the Min-Law's theorem. That's all.